guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying a different combo. I'm using the Taliah Wajid Curly Curl Cream and the Main Choice Biotin Infused Styling Gel. I also use the Camille Rose Coconut Water Leave-In Conditioner to detangle my hair. And when I tell you guys that this stuff smelled so good and the slip was just amazing, you guys. I never thought that I would want a conditioner with slip, but I think I've been converted. So I found this exact product combo on my girl Caramel Coil's YouTube. She's another natural hair YouTuber. I'll tag her link in the description box below. Make sure you give it a try. Her wash and go came out so nice that I had to give this a try. The first thing I'm using is the Taliah Wajid Curly Curl Cream, and as you guys saw, it is super thick and it smells really good. It smells like really clean and like earthy, like kind of like a shea buttery smell. But as you guys see, I had so much definition already just from this cream alone. I was actually really surprised. Like, granted, I saw my girl do her YouTube video and hers came out like that, but I just didn't think that I had the kind of hair for that. So I was so shocked. Even though my curls came out super defined, I did still follow it up with the Main Choice gel. And as you guys see, it was very like slippery. It wasn't like any gel I've ever tried before. Kind of sticky too, but not like really in a bad way. It just slides right through. It gave even more definition, even though I did not need it after the Curly Curl Cream. And it also smelled really yummy, so that's a plus. You can't have nothing in your hair that smells terrible. Like, no. So besides the leave-in conditioner, these are the only two products that I am using in my hair for this wash and go, and I am just going to keep applying it all over my head using the raking method. So just keep on watching. So at this point, I'm all finished with getting the product in my hair, and as you can tell by the look of my face, I am extremely happy with it. My hair is very soft. It doesn't have any flakes that I can see, no product buildup, and my curls are just like super defined. So I am really happy at this point. I'm going to go sit under the dryer, and then I will show you guys what my results are the next day. Y'all, the shrinkage was so real. I was not expecting it, but I don't think I can get away from shrinkage, so I'm not even that mad. My hair is still very soft. There's no crunch feeling to it like other gels. There's no product buildup. It was a little like oily, which was weird. That was like leaving a residue on my fingers. And it was flaky too. I wasn't understanding how, and there was no product buildup. Also, my curls wasn't as defined as it was the night before, which is pretty disappointing. But it had a decent amount of definition in them, so what are you gonna do? Either way, I do like this product. My hair was soft. It still had a little bit of shrinkage. But overall, I would try this again just as a twist out. You live and you learn. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, that like, and comment. And I will see y'all for the next one. Bye.